performed nowadays, called La Vida Breve, The Short Life, The Brief Life, written by Manuel de Falla. Spanish dance number 1, Antonio Papano, the pianist, and on violin was Janine Jansen. And before it, we were in steamy Seville with the temperatures Carmen. 4, Love is Like a Wild Bird, L'amour est un oiseau rebelle, The Habanera, music by Bizet, Pablo Gonzalez picking up the baton for the Barcelona Symphony Orchestra. Here at Classic FM, we are giving you an opportunity to win £50,000 in time for the festive season. What a Christmas you could have with that. I was reading a story earlier today about a shop, I can't remember where it was, might have been Suffolk, which is selling the most expensive mince pies in the country. Apparently £25 for 6 of them and £8 posting as well. Anyway, you could have many mince pies as you fancied with 50k. Maybe think about a winter holiday or doing jobs around the house. Obviously up to you, but for your chance to win £50,000, all you have to do is this: text the word Christmas to 61812. Texts cost £2.50 plus your standard network rate. You need to be 18 or over. Lines close at midday on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December. If you text after that, you won't be outed, but may still be charged. To see the full list of participating radio channels, plus the terms and conditions, including online.
From Global. Thanks, Tim. A very good afternoon to you. Stephen Mangan here, in for Margarita Taylor. Hold on to your hats. Here's some Wagner. The most relaxing music.
Classic FM.
Sergei Mikhailov joining up with the Lausanne Chamber Orchestra to play us the first movement of the Haydn Trumpet Concerto. I wish you a lovely Wednesday. I hope Classic FM can be part of it the rest of your afternoon and evening. Stephen here after your news and weather. See you tomorrow. Requests at 1.
Anne-Marie Mignol on Classic FM.
With Boots Hearing Care. Hear more with their groundbreaking technology.
The following message is brought to you by Airbnb.
We all want an easy life, me included. If someone's willing to help with some of my life admin, or make me a morning coffee, I wouldn't say no. So naturally, my ears perked up when I heard about the new co-host network on Airbnb. With all the traveling I do, I've been considering hosting my home when I'm away. But with my schedule, it can feel a bit overwhelming to manage. That's when a co-host on Airbnb comes in rather handy, helping take care of your home and your guests while you're away, maybe on an extended trip, or in my case, away filming. It's a great way to make some extra money, all while having someone help do the hosting for you. And co-hosts are not just there to answer questions on your behalf. Oh no! They can manage your reservations and offer on-site support while you're away. Now that really does sound like the easy life I'm after. Find a co-host at airbnb.co.uk/host.
Knowing you've just re-entered your curly era, your partner has got you this Dyson Airwrap. You'll cheat on your hairstylist after realising how easy Hollywood waves actually are. Your partner, being him, knows nothing about hair, of course, except that it's 86% of your personality. Give knowingly, John Lewis.
It's 2024. We can use robots to clean our flats. Order Kung Pao chicken with our watches. And, hey, play my tune.
Playing your playlist.
And now there's a better way to do energy. With Ova's free energy savings account, Beyond, you could save cash today and bank greener rewards for tomorrow. Now that's a first. Search Ovo Beyond. Discounts include bill savings by using energy at greener times. Smart meter required. For terms and eligibility, search Ovo Beyond.
Dining with diabetes. How does the food you love affect your sugar levels? Find out with the Freestyle Libre 2 glucose monitoring system. An easy scan with your smartphone can help you to manage your diabetes with more confidence and without routine finger pricks. Try your free sensor at sample.freestyle.abbott. Always read the user manual for important product aspects and limitations. Talk to your doctor for diabetes management. Trial sensor terms and conditions apply.
The Pope is dead. The throne is vacant.
Critics are calling Conclave the best picture of the year.
No sane man would want to be Pope. The ones who do want it are dangerous.
A riveting thriller.
Be careful, Thomas.
Ray Fiennes is outstanding, and Stanley Tucci is exceptional.
This is a conclave, not a war.
It is a war.
Based on the best-selling book by Robert Harris.
How has this been kept a secret for so long?
Conclave, in cinemas November 29.
Imagine heartburn protection that lasts up to 24 hours. From first thing in the morning to last thing at night. Don't just imagine. Nexium Control gastro-resistant tablets provide up to 24-hour uninterrupted heartburn protection. Nexium Control gastro-resistant tablets. Available at supermarkets or ask your pharmacist. Contains esomeprazole. Always read the label.
On your radio.
On Global Player.
And on your smart speaker.
Play Classic FM.
This is Classic FM.
From Global's newsroom at 4 o'clock, the government is refusing to comment on reports Ukraine has fired British Storm Shadow missiles into Russia. Yesterday, Russia said US-supplied long-range missiles were used there for the first time. America is also sending anti-personnel landmines to Ukraine. There's speculation Vladimir Putin may authorize the use of nuclear weapons, but Estonia's Foreign Minister Margus Tsahkna doubts that will happen.
He's playing and using our fears, and we as a bordering country, we know very well how they are thinking, and I don't believe that he will escalate by the meaning of using nuclear weapons. He's just playing with us.
The UK is to scrap 5 warships, dozens of military helicopters and a fleet of drones as part of money-saving plans. Defence Secretary John Healey says he's introduced tight financial controls, including a £300 million reduction in consultancy fees.